It is the 5th annual Summer Cabaret Festival at the Venice Theater. The festival is a great way for local artists to showcase their individuality. And one of those artists, Kristofer Geddie, is here to perform from his show, Broadway My Way. Take it away.
My mama told me, son, forget what might have been. Give yourself a break, whatever's happening. Don't let your spirit, son, come closing in. You've got to give it room and let it sing. You've got to give it room and let it sing. You've got to lift up your voice and say, got some years ahead to go. You'll go free if you take it slow. Got some years, it won't be long. You'll be free to sing your song. Oh boy, you got left, right, oh boy. Those precious little really folks like us control. You can make your music from the simplest sound, and you're the one who's got to tend your soul. You've got to give it room and let it sing. You got to give it room and let it sing. You got to let it sing. You got to let it sing. You got to give it room and to let it sing.
Yes! All right.
Wow.
Let it sing. Bo Beth, I feel like he was talking to you.
I think so too.
Keep singing.
Chris, that was fantastic. Tell us a little bit about your cabaret. That song is great. How does it fit into the whole show?
Well, my cabaret is called Broadway My Way because it's about Broadway in the way I see it and the way songs maybe shouldn't fit in the particular order in the shows that they fit, or maybe particular characters shouldn't sing them. It's my version of what I think it should be.
It's your turn.
Yes.
You do you. All right, now you are a favorite. You have performed in the Cabaret Festival in the previous years. You also are the Director of Diversity at Venice Theater. So tell us a little bit about what was the theater's plan when they launched this festival 5 years ago?
Well, it was a chance for local artists, as you said, to show showcase their talents and to show the different things that they all and we all do that the audiences of Sarasota don't necessarily see at all times.
Mm-hmm. And lots of great people to choose from. You have returning artists and then new ones this year.
We have lots of returning artists, including Miss Michelle Kazanovsky next week.
Yes.
And lots of new artists, but lots of local favorites, people you've seen here, people you've seen around.
It's wonderful.
So
it's a great
excellent.
thing for the summer. You can see Kristofer July 13th and 14th at the Summer Cabaret Festival. For tickets to go, you'll want to go to the Venice Theater website, and you'll see festival performances run through the end of August. So we're going to head to break, but first, Kristofer, we want to hear one more song. We're going to stay here right with you.
Yeah. And we won't sing, promise.
You've got to be taught to hate and fear. You've got to be taught from year to year. You've got to be taught to be afraid of people whose skin is a different shade, and people whose skin is hardly made. You've got to be carefully taught. You've got to be carefully taught.